Hello everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. In today's video we have a very affordable, cheap, budget gaming headset that I purchased from Argos, and the price is £15. So I believe this is the cheapest, or maybe there's a more cheap than that. So yeah, let's have a look this budget gaming headset that I bought for my PS5. And also watch the video till the end, because I'm gonna give you a test just to hear how is the sound quality of this very affordable headset for your PS4 or PS5. So let's have a look. The build quality, actually it's not bad. It's made from plastic. I do like the cable is very nice. Also we have a volume up and also a mute button, pretty straightforward. Nothing special here, but overall it's okay. The build quality, actually it's not very decent, but actually they're very lightweight and they're very comfortable, and you're not gonna have a problem to wear them for a long period of time. And let's have a look the headset right now. As you can see there, for some reason I have the feeling that this is copied from Audio Technica, or maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, I have this vibe. But overall they look pretty decent for £15. What to expect? And now I'm gonna give you a sound test with this gaming headset connected to my PS5. Let's do that right now. Next. Okay, so now we're gonna have a test of the gaming headset. We're gonna play the Spider-Man Miles Morales, and just to have an idea how is the sound of this gaming headset. So let me talk about now, just to have an idea. The microphone is very close to my mouth, and this is the sound quality of the £15 headset from Argos, which I purchased. And also I'm gonna give you my verdict about these headphones. Should you buy them or not? Actually, these headphones are very popular, and if I'm honest with you, they're quite high rated for some reason, but I'm gonna give you my opinion because I think it's fair to know should you buy these headphones or not. Because end of the day, the more important is the sound quality. I'd rather have a nice sound quality than build quality. So let me go down. And just to walk now. So the sound is quite on a high end. I really miss the low end. It's quite bassy, and I don't know, for some reason the sound is not very decent. But if I'm honest with you, it's not bad, not like a very bad, but this is the sound. It's not processed. This is connected to my Dualsense controller, and not bad, but yeah, I wish the sound was a little bit more balanced in a way. For £15, not bad, but yeah. Also, I'm going to give you a test with the Dualsense controller, so just to have an idea how is the sound quality with the gaming headset and without. As you know, the PS5 has a built-in microphone, so you don't need a headset. For the meantime, you can use your Dualsense controller, but don't use it. Now I'm going to show you a clip with a Dualsense controller it's very, very bad. Okay, so let me show you now the clip with the Dualsense control. So I'm gonna remove the headset from the Dualsense control right now. So let's see if I can do that. Okay, so now probably you're listening there. I just removed the Dualsense, the headset, and this is the sound from the Dualsense controller without the headset. And let me know, what do you think? This is even worse. The sound quality should be very, very bad right now. There's no bass, the sound is not balanced. It's just not nice sound, if I'm honest with you. But if you don't have a headset, I believe for the meantime this should be okay. So let's go back to the headset right now, let me get out from here first. Come on, Spidey. Okay, so let me put the headset right now again. So this is the Dualsense controller, and the sound is terrible. Don't use it. So let's do that again now. And now the headset is connected to my Dualsense controller, and this is the sound. So let me know, what do you think? It's better, but not perfect. And my verdict is, I mean, for 16-15 pounds, it's not bad. It's not terrible. It's much better than the Dualsense controller. So don't use the Dualsense controller built-in microphone. It's better to buy some headset. So my opinion is, I mean, if I'm honest with you, it's not terrible. It's still usable. If you're on a budget, if the budget is about 15-16 pounds, yes, definitely, I think it's a good buy. But if you can afford something like, let's say, 25-30 pounds, then buy something else. But if your budget is like 15-16 pounds and you need it, yeah, definitely is a great buy. Don't get me wrong. I wish the sound was a little bit more balanced, but as you can hear, it's much better than the Dualsense controller. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. My name is Stefan, and I'll see you in the next video.